Hello friends, welcome to our Java tutorial web series. Today we will learn about Java Swing. Java Swing is a lightweight Java graphical user interface or GUI widget toolkit that includes a rich set of widgets. It is a part of Java fundamental classes. With the help of Java Swing, we will make some Windows applications like calculator or calendar or some login forms, etc. Then what are the uses of Java Swing? Swing is a set of program components for Java programmers that provide the ability to create graphical user interface components such as buttons and scroll bars and etc. that are independent of windowing system for specific operating systems. Swing components are used with Java fundamental classes. Some swing components in Java are JButton, which is a button actually, JLevel, which is a level, JText, JList, JComboBox, JRadioButton, and many more. In our upcoming videos, we will discuss individual Java Swing components and then we will try to make some applications, some Windows applications using Java Swing. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then please press like and subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you.